Welcome to Minemaps 1.1. 20 questions are waiting for you today, but the real challenge is, can you score 10 out of 20 questions? Let's play. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer, Jupiter. Who wrote Hamlet? Correct answer, William Shakespeare. What gas do humans breathe in? Correct answer, oxygen. Which organ pumps blood? Correct answer, heart. Which shape has 3 sides? Correct answer, triangle. What is the currency of Japan? Correct answer, yen. Which planet is known as the morning star? Correct answer, Venus. What is H2O commonly known as? Correct answer, water. Which bird cannot fly? Correct answer, penguin. How many continents are there? Correct answer, 7. Plants absorb which gas? Correct answer, carbon dioxide. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Correct answer, lion. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct answer, mercury. Which festival is the festival of lights? Correct answer, Diwali. Which is the smallest ocean? Correct answer, Arctic Ocean. Which planet is close to the Sun? Correct answer, Earth. How many days in a leap year? Correct answer, 366. Which is the tallest mountain? Correct answer, Mount Everest. Hardest natural substance is? Answer, which planet has rings? Correct answer, Neptune. Your quiz ends here. How many did you score out of 20? Comment below and subscribe for more quizzes.